Hi guys, happy Sunday, happy Easter if you celebrate. I wanted to take you guys on a quick little plant tour. So I ended up getting rid of a lot of my plants. It was Pothos specifically because a lot of them ended up with mealybugs and it was just more than I felt like remediating. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some of my plants and then I'm gonna go to a plant shop and see if I can find a new hanging plant. And also let me say, apologies for any audio issues. My mic is not working for some reason, so I probably have to get another one, which is annoying. But anyway, yeah, let's get into it. So let's start with like my most abundant collection, which is snake plants. I love snakes. I got this one last August. Snake plants are so easy with moisture. I feel like I've watered this maybe 3 or 4 times since I got it. It really drinks very slowly. So this is the Sansevieria. I can't remember the name. I will put the names. I'll put the names up. This one I got in December 2019. This one has grown so much. So this is another snake, another Sansevieria. I really love this one. This is probably my favorite one just because it's really cute and small and yeah, really easy to care for. This one is, and excuse my mess too. So this one is the Sansevieria laurentii, I believe. And actually, I said the other one was my favorite, but I really like this one too. I really like the yellow in this one. It's the nice little pop of color. And I find that the laurentii do tend to be a little thirstier than the other Sansevierias, probably because of the color, because of the yellow. So they do require more water. But if y'all don't have one of these moisture meters from Amazon, I highly, highly recommend this. So easy to just test. Put it in the soil, see how your plant is doing. I usually try to wait till this is bone dry before watering. So this is, yeah, I still have a little bit of time for this one. Maybe like a few more days or so at least. But this is so convenient. It's only like $10 and it has really helped me as a plant mom. Another laurentii, it's smaller. So that's that one. So this one I got, I want to say at like the beginning of 2019. No, sorry, the beginning of 2020 is when I got this. And same, you know, they're so hardy. This little piece, this one in here, I have been thinking about just propagating this because it kind of just has a mind of its own and it wants to lean. But yeah, this is this snake plant. And funny thing about this one, whenever I water this, it smells so freaking bad. I don't know why, but it smells like just ashtray butt. But yeah, this is one of my favorite snakes, for sure. For sure. Do you guys watch Married at First Sight? Ryan, for sure. And then finally we come to this snake plant. So I have had this one the longest. I actually got this one right when I started talking about my locks on YouTube. So that was September 2018. And this one has grown so much, but the problem is it's like all splayed out, as you can see. Random fun fact, so I used to love Pokemon when I was little and I had a rabbit named Jigglypuff Charmander and my boyfriend got me a Jigglypuff and a Charmander. So sweet. But yeah, this snake plant, I want to take it and see like, maybe they can repot it. I actually repotted it almost a year ago and it is, I mean, it's not dying, but I am just concerned. Whoa, look at that. I'm concerned about displaying. It should definitely be upright. I have not really taken the best care of this ponytail palm, I'll just be honest. But yeah, this one needs some love. Another really easy, hardy plant species. Easy plants, so easy to maintain. They barely need water. Yeah, so that's this one in my bedroom. Here's another one. I have this in my living room. In my living room next to this snake I just showed you. This one is actually growing pretty nicely and I don't water these like much at all. I barely water these. So this one in my last apartment was reaching for the sun a lot, which is kind of interesting because these tend to do pretty well in the shade. But this one wanted a little bit more sun. So yeah, that's these. Let me just talk about this little tragedy up here. So this is a Pothos. This is my only Pothos that came from my last apartment because all of them ended up with mealybugs, and I had never had mealybugs before. Pothos were the first plants that I started with when I became a plant mom, and yeah, this one, it has mealybugs. I don't really feel like taking it down, but you see that little white right there, the little white spot? So yeah, that's mealybugs. If you look really closely, you can see that there are quite a few, and I'm about to get rid of this thing because like you're not gonna be up in here killing my other plants. So yeah, this has to go, and so that's one of the things I want to look for at the plant shop I'm gonna take you guys to. Look for another trailing plant, another plant with a vine. This is a west facing window, so it'll get brighter in the afternoon. It's still pretty early right now. But yeah, I was really heartbroken because I couldn't take any of my snakes with me. Not snakes. I was really heartbroken because I couldn't take any of my pothos with me. But yeah, we're not gonna have that. We're not gonna have nasty bugs in here. All right, moving on. So this is a Philodendron Brazil, or they have Brazil Philodendron, but this was actually my boyfriend's, and he had pothos too, and he had issues with mealybugs as well. So at first I was just kind of babysitting this one, but he was concerned about bringing, you know, this one home and potentially getting mealybugs on it. So yeah, this one is mine now, and she is so beautiful. I love the variegation. It looks like a painting. It's just so beautiful. It's like nature's artwork. This is probably my favorite plant right here. So this is a rubber tree, variegated rubber tree. I was a little bit concerned about its health in my last apartment, but here it seems to really be thriving. This one, it might be getting a little bit too much sun actually. These need bright indirect light, and this light in the afternoon is direct. But yeah, this one is my favorite, and since I've lived here, which has been a little bit over a month, a lot of new leaves have come up. So yeah, this one is pretty happy, I would say. This was a little gift from the apartment building when I moved here, and this is really cute. I love the planter that it's in, but I never buy succulents because I always kill them. But it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I will put the name of it. I tend to buy plants that I know I can keep alive. So yeah, succulents ain't it. All right, moving on. Oh, I have a new shoot. Whoa, I just noticed this. Oh, yay. So I have a new shoot right here on this Monstera. Can you see? Try to find a good angle for y'all. But dang. All right, hold up. Oop, let's see. Yeah, so I have a new little shoot, new baby. So this is my Monstera. I only have one of these. This baby was struggling. Like, it came with this really just poor thing, just mutilated leaf. But I bought it because I figured that it, you know, just needed a good home and some love. So I have gotten some new leaves since I bought it. So this one is new. This is also new, and I'm a little concerned about these like spots that it has on it. Yeah, and this leaf is new, like within the last week and a half or so. Another struggle plant. I actually don't shy away from buying struggle plants because I always feel like they just need TLC. This is a bird of paradise that I got from, I got this from Home Depot, and I actually had a bird at my last place, but it ended up getting stuck in the planter and it started having issues with gnats because there was moisture trapped in the planter. As you can see, this one has got a lot of sunburn. I need to just go ahead and trim this, but it came like this. This could probably be trimmed as well, but I wanted to get a new snake. I keep saying snake, everything is snake. But I wanted to get a new bird of paradise for my new place. And this one down here, I totally forgot about this one. This is a little rubber plant too. Oh, I think this one might need some water. I just watered it, but so this is another rubber plant too. I love just the pure clean green of it. I think it's really stunning. It's really simple, but yeah, I think this one is beautiful. This actually, I had this at work, and during the pandemic, I went to the office to bring it home because I work from home right now. So yeah, this one is doing okay. I thought it was dying. Like a lot of the a lot of the leaves just, you know, got really soft and mushy and just dead. But it's actually doing pretty okay, relatively speaking. And then the last one we have is this palm is looking a mess. So I got this from Home Depot a couple of weeks ago, and it has been really windy. It has been raining. It's been like sunny and just off and on. The weather has been crazy. So this has seen better days. So I'm thinking of I might just try to prune it or just get rid of it altogether. Luckily it was only 20 bucks. And I strongly recommend, if you're going to get larger plants, I do recommend going to Home Depot, because some of the boutiques, they have a ridiculous markup. Like you could find a plant like this at a boutique for like $100 or more, and you can just get them cheaper from Home Depot. So that's my struggle plant. I definitely do want more plants for my patio, and I'm gonna get some seating out there soon. I have lights up already. But yeah, more plants out there would be really nice. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get ready to go to this plant shop, and I'll bring you guys along. This is the watermelon peperomia, so I think I'm actually gonna go with this one to hang. Alright guys, so I'm back at home with my new baby, and she gave me this care sheet. So this is the shop, Rewild. So let's see, peperomia watermelon, bright indirect light, water once a week. Here she is. Let's try to take her out a little bit more carefully than we did. Alright, so she looks pretty. I've always wanted a watermelon peperomia, so we will see how she does. I am gonna put her up here. It says bright indirect light, and it does get really bright in here like after 2 or so. So I don't know. I mean, I guess time will tell if I'm being a good plant mom by putting her up there. But that's where I want her, because I want her to trail down. I'm gonna grab step stool and we're gonna go and we're gonna take this thing down, and then you'll be able to see some of the stupid nasty mealybugs up here. Let's see. Yeah, man, look at that. Do y'all see that? That's gross. Actually, should I put her on the balcony right now? I don't know. I don't want to see her. Get her out of my sight. For now, let me just sit her right here. And then we'll decide her fate. I'm like 50-50 about putting her up here, honestly. I am. But I just want to see. I want to try it. And I don't want to say if she dies, so be it. But let's just see. Okay. She's up there. She's definitely not, you know, not as full as the Pothos. But, and also like, I don't know. She might not get the best light up here, honestly. Just looking at it, looking how the leaves are, I don't think she'll be okay. So, in the interest of kindness, I will take her down. And I'm just gonna put her by the window for now, because I know she'll be happy there. I know she'll get good light here. And it varies throughout the day, but I know it'll be better. This bad boy over here, the thing that is, like, I haven't noticed any other mealybugs on any other plants. So that's the only thing that makes me say, well, maybe she could stay her mealybug infested behind up there. And I mean, I have rinsed this thing and they just come back. And yeah, so I don't know. In the meantime, I think I'm gonna leave her up there because I like having some color. And I'm also, admittedly, honestly, I'm also too lazy to rinse her off at this moment in time. So we'll see how I feel a little bit later. But yeah, that's that. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to more fun, exciting vlogs full of adventure. Not all of them will be adventurous, but I am looking forward to vlogging more because it's not something that I do. So thank you guys for watching. Please give this a thumbs up and I will see you guys next time. Bye.